Yo, 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 what's up, everyone? Gary Bettman Investments back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at Chainlink. This is going to be a technical analysis on Chainlink, and overall, I think it's has a fairly healthy market structure, especially when I compare it to other cryptos. Today, we're going to be looking at a log chart for a better view because obviously I can zoom in on the normal chart, but it'd be easier to just look at the log. Now, before we get in the video, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down in the description for the new crypto called Sweat, or what it is called right now, Sweat Coin, but it'll be going to Sweat, and there'll be another crypto that's coming on in September 13th, so like 11 days from now. Yeah, if you're interested in that, I'll leave a description. It's free. You're basically earning crypto through walking or running. But with that said, let's get into the video here. So first thing on Chainlink, we see on our wave trend oscillator, we see that the green dot has printed down here. Obviously now we have a red dot on the weekly, but still a valid bottom. But what I like here is price coming back down to this $5 area right here, $5.07, before we get a retest here, and then break up to get back to all-time highs for that possible 10x for the next bull market. But personally, for me, like this is, in my opinion, this is an attractive area to buy. Why? Because this was back in 2018. We saw resistance was created here. We didn't test that resistance again until the following year in 2019. We created new resistance up top here, but look what happened here. We retested it twice. Which was once resistance, now becomes support. We break through that resistance, go up to we make new highs around $50, and we haven't come back to test this resistant area that can now be turned into support if we get a rejection. In the case that we do get a rejection, I'm looking for either bullish engulfing, piercing candle, hammer, reversal candle, or pin bar, or a morning star. Any of those bullish candlestick patterns will give me a good confirmation to buy at this level to eventually get a bounce here and move back up to 50, 53 dollars to give me that 10x. But I mean, the market structure looks very healthy. Pretty easy to understand in my opinion. Just basic: break resistance, retest, create support, break it again, and now we're just waiting for another retest on support. And now let's think. Let's say this, for example, if this zone doesn't get hit, and we see eventually price moving up, what would be your best option to buy? In my opinion, I would wait for a break here of this area, since we've already made this is acting as resistance here. Probably price is finding resistance around here, and we've already rejected it twice. So right now we're kind of just creating a horizontal range, and if price doesn't come back here to this area, which ideally that's what I want to happen, so I can buy here, because I think it's just an excellent spot to buy based on the market or the structure of Chainlink. But if price doesn't come back, then your best option is probably waiting for this range high to break on this horizontal range, and then targeting, if you take it as a trade, targeting around 15, maybe around this resistance area here, around $12.65. Seems like a decent area where support was that can act as resistance now. But overall, I think fundamentally, depending on what Chainlink does, will help the price move. But from a technical standpoint, I think it looks fairly healthy in my opinion. Very, very simple market structure. Um, Nothing really confusing. I mean, if you take it off log, you could say we're kind of in a falling wedge if I drew a line right there. But definitely, if I see um, price can hold this area, I'll be looking to buy because I think it's the risk. The risk is very low and the reward is quite high in my opinion. But that's all I had for today, guys. If you enjoyed what the knowledge I gave you, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.